What's up, beauties? It's your girl Beauty Like Me. I'm back again with some more outfit inspo. Let's create 15 different looks featuring 8 pieces that I found at Walmart in this beautiful orchid color. Now, when I first came across this color, I knew I had to have it because it was so vibrant. It was perfect for the spring to transition into summertime weather. And as they continue to add more pieces in this color, I knew I had to have each one at least to try it on and see what combo I can make. And once I found these shoes with the same orchid color in there, I knew it was going to be a win. Now, a lot of these items were actually on clearance at my local Walmart. Some of the things I did have to order online, but I'll still share all the details below, more specifically the sizes, so please make sure you pay attention to the caption if you don't watch the entire video. But longest story short, all of the bottoms, including the dress or the rompers, those are all in a size large. All of the tops are in a size medium, and the jackets are all in a size small. Now for this romper and these next pair of shorts, I should have sized up and got those in a size extra large because I'll definitely be exchanging them out just because I do want a little bit more length. But overall, I love the way every single thing turned out, especially once I found these shoes. And I think the slouch socks are kind of a must because I did re-record this video, so heads up. But if you're watching from Instagram and you're interested in any of these items, comment either link and I'll send it right to you. But if you're watching from Facebook or from TikTok, look for the link in my caption or in my bio. I hope you guys have the day you deserve. Love you, and I'll chat with you guys tomorrow. Hey, what's up, beauties? It's your girl Beauty Like Me. I'm back again with some more outfit inspo, and this time it's going to be featuring Adidas. I told you guys before in my last Adidas video that they have some really cute wide leg pants. To me, they're the perfect spring to summer transitional piece, especially when you pair with a crop top and a jacket, because it allows you to kind of adjust depending on what the weather is. But let's get right into the details. Now for both the pants, I'm wearing these in a size extra large. I love when my pants are a little bit on the longer side, which is specifically why I got the extra large. Even though it's a little bit bigger on the waist, I really don't care just because it has an adjustable drawstring waistband, which I already know I'm a fan favorite of. For the bras, I'm wearing those in both a size extra large. For the red jacket, I'm wearing that in a size medium. It does have a decent amount of stretch to it, but it's not overly stretchy. But I know for certain with this black oversized jacket, I am wearing that in a size small. I love the way everything turned out, and if I wanted to do this for more of a warmer look, I would just switch the tennis shoes to sandals. But if you're watching from Instagram and you're interested in any of these items, comment either link and I'll send it right to you. But if you're watching from Facebook or from TikTok, look for the link in my caption or in my bio. I hope you guys have the day you deserve. Love you, and I'll chat with you guys tomorrow. Hey, what's up, beauties? It's your girl Beauty Like Me. I'm back again with some more outfit inspo featuring a few pieces that I grabbed from my local Walmart, and it is going to be a part of their Reebok collection. When I tell you they did not miss with this one, they did not miss with this one. Now I am going to preface this by saying please pretend like you see me wearing some Reebok classics in this video. I ordered me an all white pair as well as an all black pair, and I don't know what happened with USPS. It was supposed to be Friday, then Saturday. Today is Tuesday, so yeah, here we are. I had to stick with some Converse. But anyways, let's get right into the details. Now all of the bottoms in this video I'm wearing in a size large with the exception of the red leggings. Those I wore in a size extra large, and you will see in a little bit here why I decided to size down to a large. All of the tops I'm wearing in a size medium. The only thing I would change the sizes on would be the tops that I wear with the skirts. I probably would have sized down to a small just because I would have wanted a more snug fit around my waist. And then all the jackets, I'm wearing those in a size large. And if you didn't notice earlier in the video, all of the skirts are actually skirts. They have built-in shorts, which I absolutely love because it helps protect you from a little cheeky slippage, which is a big concern for me, especially being a little bit more on the bottom heavy side. All of the skirt sets are available in 4 different colors total. The capri sets are giving me a little bit of airport vibe type outfits, but the skirt sets, when I tell you I love these and I'm probably gonna wear one tonight, Now if you're watching from Instagram and you're interested in any of these items, comment either link and I'll send it right to you. But if you're watching from Facebook or from TikTok, look for the link in my caption or in my bio. I hope you guys have the day you deserve. Love you, and I'll chat with you guys tomorrow.